Hi everybody, how are you? My name is Claude from Ocean Watches. So today I will show you my watches collection. So I have so many. So this is kind of a vintage watches, Omega, Zodiac, Seiko. So let's check. So this is my collection. From the right side is a Speedmaster Omega gold dial. The regular one with black dial, Speedmaster. Seamaster Omega from the 60s. Flymaster Omega from 1969, I guess it was released. And one Seiko Avant model with cutting glass, beautiful cutting glass. And one Zodiac from the 70s or maybe late 60s, chronograph. So let's check this one. So I purchased that watch around 1995 for $400 US. So I have that watch for 26 years. Still working perfectly. Never got any problem with it. Chronograph is working perfect. Really nice. So I really love this watch. The design and the dial is beautiful. So the movement is a value 7750. So the bracelet is original bracelet Zodiac. Really nice. So I was lucky because in the 80s I started to collect watches around 84. So that time Rolex, Omega were not so expensive compared to now. They are so crazy price, insane price. I guess the price is multiplied for the Omega and Rolex by 4 or 5 times the price. So this is a Seiko Avant. I purchased around 1998. Very nice. It's cutting glass. Very rare model. Beautiful. It's not a Seiko 5, it's a Seiko Avant. So I did not check the movement inside. I have to open the case. But it's a really nice watch. The glass is beautiful. I guess it's not crystal glass, it's mineral glass cutting. Really nice. The watch is working perfectly. And this is the Omega Flymaster. So I purchased from, I didn't know, it's not new, I bought used one from eBay. I paid around $1,100 US. In 1998 I bought this one. The watch is really perfect. I am not sure if the bracelet is the original bracelet. I guess not, but it's Omega bracelet. Really nice. So I did not check the caliber of the Omega. I opened it, but I forgot the caliber number. Anyway, it's Omega, very perfect. I have to open it one day. I opened it last time, but I forgot to check the caliber number. Of course, it's Omega. It's really nice, working perfectly. It's not automatic, it's a manual watch, like the Zodiac also. So the watch is working perfectly. I did not do any overhaul or whatever, so from the date I purchased it, it's working perfectly. Really nice. Very nice dome glass. I guess it's not sapphire, maybe mineral, I'm not sure. At that time they make sapphire glass. Most watches were with mineral glass. So, well, I heard that model, the Flymaster Omega, was not very popular, so they just released a few models and they stopped. It did not sell very well. Anyway, it's very thick watch. So next model is Omega Seamaster. There is a scratch on the glass, and yeah, I just bought used one, really nice. So it's working. So also I bought this one around the 90s. So I have to change the glass, but it's okay, it's nice. The bracelet is not original bracelet. So when I bought it, was no bracelet. So, but I pay only $250 US, so I have not to complain. The watch is really nice, no scratch on the case. So only have to change the glass. And my Omega Speedmaster. So I really love this watch. That one I purchased around 2000. I paid in Japanese yen 98,000 yen. 98,000 yen. Around 950 US, very cheap. Of course it was new, I bought new, with guarantee, box, everything. So that watch is working perfectly, very nice. So I will rewind it. So chronograph is working okay. The watch is working, so it's automatic, really nice watch. One of my favorite Omega, the Speedmaster, really nice. And this also, it's a Omega Speedmaster, very rare model. It's a gold dial, very beautiful. Also, I purchased around 2001. Ah no, this one not 2001. I bought around 1998. Sorry, also very cheap, around 950 US. So I guess now this watch cost maybe 3,000 US or more. Really nice model. So the bracelet is a leather bracelet, but I have problem with my skin. I have kind of allergy of leather, so always I wear my watch with a stainless steel bracelet. So this is not original, it's oversized. It's Omega Speedmaster, but it's okay. Yeah, it's not the original bracelet. When I bought it, it was with a leather bracelet. So of course I still have a leather bracelet. But really nice. Also is working perfectly. So I'm wearing it sometime, you know. So I try to wear all my watches to keep them working, you know, because sometimes it's happened the oil dried inside. So. Okay, now it's working. So the chronograph is working perfectly. Okay. And this is really nice, is a Glycine Swiss made watch. This model is a F104, very big size. So I guess the size is over 50, I will check. Oh yeah, it's big size, 51. I guess it's the size of a pocket watch. Really nice, very rare model. So I just heard a Glycine, the joint, they were bought by Invicta. I hate Invicta, that company. So I'm a little bit disappointed, but I heard Glycine still making watch. They are still made in Switzerland. So I hope the quality is the same. This one is really nice. It's a manual, not automatic. so I have to rewind it. So I'm wearing sometime. So that one comes with original bracelet. So as I said, I have some allergy with my skin, so I prefer stainless steel bracelet. So I change the bracelet. I order one. Of course, it's not a Glycine original bracelet, but it's really nice. Butterfly open. Really nice design. So yeah, it's really big watch. But I'm wearing it sometime. The loom is a little bit weak, but I bought the watch around 1999, so it's already 22 years. Still work perfectly. So they are my most expensive watches from my collection, Rolex and Tudor. So that Rolex model is a Datejust. So I purchased this model in 1988 when I was working overseas in Dubai. So it's really nice. I bought the watch at the airport, so it was tax-free. I paid around 1,800 US dollars. I can't believe now it's over 400, maybe 500-600. I think it's around now. It's around 6,000 US dollars. Rolex is so expensive. So really nice model. All stainless steel, and I love the blue dial. Very rare model. So the watch is working perfectly. So 1988 I bought, so 98, 2008, 2088. So I bought the watch 33 years ago. So long time. Really nice, beautiful. I never did any repair, so I'm wearing it sometime, of course. So the bracelet is really nice. Jubilé bracelet. So let's check the Tudor. And also the Tudor. Really nice watch. It's a Submariner. So open the case. So a really nice watch. So I just rewind now. The watch is working perfectly. So I purchased that watch around in 1995 in a Japanese big store called Olympic. It was opening store, so they made a special price. It was just new opening. So I paid around 550 US dollars. About 50,000 yen, so really nice watch. Of course I bought new, will guarantee all papers, everything. I still have the box, so really nice. So the loom is not bright anymore, so I guess because we'll age. So, but still the watch is working perfectly. So I had one scratch here when I was wearing it. But I remove it, so it's really nice. You can see it's really nice. So the glass is not crystal glass, it's kind of plexiglass, synthetic glass. So if you have any scratch, you can remove it very easily. If you need, you use poly watch or whatever, it's very easy to remove. So I did not buy the Submariner Rolex, so the Datejust. So I was looking for a Submariner, and I was very lucky. I got the Tudor, really nice. As you can see, the old Tudor have a Rolex crown sign, and the case too. It said it's made by Rolex. But new Tudor, I don't think they have a crown sign. So I guess this watch is quite expensive. I don't know the value. No, maybe somebody can tell me. But I guess it's quite expensive. So of course the bracelet is original Tudor. You have extension here if you're doing scuba. I think you have around 20 pocket watch. This is one of the best, the Tiffany. The case is 18 karat, all gold, not gold filled. So I have to rewind it. The watch is working perfectly, really nice. I have also an Hamilton. This is kind of Art Deco, I guess from the 1920 or early 19. So these watches are 100 years old. This is a pocket watch I purchased in UK. So it's a British pocket watch. The name is, check it. So I guess this watch is from the early 19 or maybe 1890, very old watch, really nice. So I just rewind it, it's working. You can see the case is there is some rust on the case. So I need to clean it. So really nice. This one is beautiful. Is a South Bend. That one I bought in US here. Really nice. There is no initial engrave. Really nice watch. So it's working perfectly. So this one is an Elgin, also I bought in US. Okay, it's working. So I guess this one is early 1920. Oh, there is engraved name. And this one is I purchased in UK also. It's a British watch. All the case is from silver. Really nice. So this one I guess is around 1818, close to 150 years old, very old watch. So it uses a key to rewind the watch. So let's check it. So Yeah, the watch is working. Incredible. Acme leather. Samuel Manchester. Really nice piece. So this one is one of the most expensive with the Tiffany 18 karat. This one also I purchased in US. I think I paid $500 US, but it's really very mint condition, really nice. It's a railway special, Hamilton. Very nice. So to fix the time, you have to open the case. When you open the case, you can fix the time here. I need to take off my gloves. If you move here, this one, you can fix the time. And you close it. So you don't fix the time by the crown for this model. And also that one is really nice. Mint pocket watch Elgin. So it's working very well. No sign, so really nice. I think it's 14 karat gold field with beautiful engraved flowers on the back. Really nice. So I hope you enjoy my channel and you enjoy my collection. So I have many watches. I did not show you all. So I have Seikos, 5 many models from the 70s, 80s. I have also Oris, Swiss watch, so many. So it was just few from my collection. So I hope to see you for the next review. So I will do some review for a few watches I have in my collection and a new one also. And I hope to see you for the next review. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, please don't hesitate. I will try to answer you soon. See you again. Bye.